you guys are doing well. Happy Saturday. It is the weekend. So today's workout, again, is optional cardio, and it's the same all across the board. You should be able to fit it into an express workout, but if not, just do what you can in 30 minutes. It is 10 times 100-meter sprint equal rest to work ratio. So what that means is if it takes you, 30 seconds to run 100 meters, to sprint 100 meters, which for most of us it probably wouldn't take that long, but say it did, then you would rest for 30 seconds before going again. And then if the next time it took you 15 seconds, then you would rest for 15 seconds, and you're just going to continue that for 10 times. It is going to be a lot. You are going to get tired, but do your best to go as hard as you can for each sprint and take a good amount of time warming up. I purposefully did not put a warm up in here because I think that everybody, when it comes to sprints, tends to like to warm up differently. So what I would recommend though is doing about 5 minutes of cardio. So on a bike, on a treadmill with a light jog, on an elliptical, a row or something. Just get moving for 5 minutes and then do some really good stretches. Okay, so stretching out your quads, stretching out your hamstrings, like dynamically, so you're moving the whole time. You're not just sitting and stretching. So you're doing like Spider-Man's, which is basically like a runner's lunge while you're moving. You're doing walking, quad stretches, those kinds of things, making sure that you're moving while you go. Something else that I learned and did when we did sprints and track was that we would, for about 30-40 feet, we would walk on our toes, and then we would walk on our heels, and we would do some power skips. So think about things like that when you're warming up. If you absolutely want me to write a warm-up, put it in the chat and I will go ahead and add it into the programming for you guys. But the good news is that if you can't run or you don't want to run, you can switch this over to any other machine. So you can do 100-meter sprints on the rower, you can do 10-calorie sprints on the bike, and same thing, equal rest to work ratio. 1 second, buddy. So if you have any questions, let me know. It is trying not to purposely skip your cardio, trying to at least do this once every other week if you can. But I hope you guys have a good Saturday.